By replacing the damaged oxygen sensor, you can easily fix the P0171 error code by yourself. P0171 means that the engine air-fuel mixture is too lean. It indicates that the bank one of your car has too much air or not enough fuel. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired ASAP. If you are getting a P0171 error code, this video is going to show you how to repair a possible faulty car part with one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Oxygen sensors, also known as O2 sensors, help determine whether the air-fuel ratio of a combustion engine is rich or lean in real time. Oxygen sensors are located before and after the catalytic converter, and here are the sensors' locations. A faulty oxygen sensor may cause black smoke to come out from the exhaust. You can notice fuel efficiency loss and smell rotten egg smell. Here is one method to fix the oxygen sensor. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. So here is a practical solution to fix the P0171 error code. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.